Today we're putting knee pads on the Triumph Speedmaster. These are from Moton, a really nice product, ready to put on. They have sticky paper on the back, and as you can see they have the motif of the Union Jack on them. More or less a plug and play job. It's important to make sure that the area where you stick the knee pads is absolutely clean and degreased. So I'm just wiping it down with a bit of alcohol, making sure that the side of the tank is nice and clean and ready to have the knee pad mounted on it. You can do a lot of measurements. I prefer to do this by eyesight, being very careful to align the knee pads with the lines of the tank and making sure that I get it as close as possible when comparing the left side to the right side. And having it wiped down, it's just a matter of finding out where to place it exactly. And once you decide where you want it to be, it's just a matter of removing the paper from the back side of the sticky paper and add it onto it. The adhesive will get stronger during the first 24 hours, so you can actually, if you stick it slightly there, if you want to maneuver it around, you can detach it again instantly and move it a bit around. But once it's there, press it firmly, let it stick, and here you see the final results, both left side and right side. And just one more small project, preparing the Triumph for the spring months and driving around. You might have noticed to the left in the garage there's another bike hiding, and I will be posting videos later this spring demonstrating, and here we have it, what is hiding below this this cover. It is another motorbike, I can tell you that much, and we'll get back to it later on. For now it's the Triumph, the final results of putting on the knee pads with the Union Jack motif from Moton Customs. I'm very satisfied with the way this looks on the bike. Anyway, just a short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.